Welcome back all of my viewers, all of my subs, the trendy dancehall. I hope you see the first video before this when we did I explain what go on with the Ranking King, is it? But good news, you see me. Good news. The good news is that Ranking King is stable so far. You see me, people. I'm glad to hear that. I'm telling you, I'm not only for the case until I get resourceful and good details and about what take place. You see me. So I could take your time and we talk about this now. Subscribe if you're new and leave a comment and tell me what you feel about everything at the same time, isn't me? So for all who haven't seen the first video, Grinding King was shot multiple time. It very serious, guys, isn't me? So him and couple other people did leave go to Westmoreland to attend a funeral, is it? Enough people get shot. Some people never so lucky, like him wife. His wife could succumb to the injuries, guys, and things. So it really serious. Ranking King, as when you can see the first video what I did share with the dog upon the ground, it never looks so good neither. You see me? And the next video when him get rushed to the hospital also. And a lot of people have this and that for say, and me can't feel good about this, none at all, you see me? So me have to come stand up on my foot and push out good sourceful information to the people them so them can know what go on, you get me? So people, Ranking King is known as more of an singer type of artist, you see me? A sing J type, if you get me. And so far we don't know what to say after somebody close to him. I have a bad mind cause this. We not ask the man sing some song there and it's now them a come to pass, people if you don't see what go on. Yeah, man, him known as Matthew Smith also, you see me, people. And the dog are gonna make it out, man. You see me, as I said, the good news that when we get him stable so far and that enough right now for hold on and just to make sure, you see me, or to be sure, you see me. But you know, in a sense, we just want to know, say, yo, them man sing good type of tune, song. You see me, enough artists they out there make be a foolish junk, you see me, with them time. Them money put different type of passion in them thing. You see me? Yeah, man, and some of them look like that they forget it, man. Too, no, man. No, I feel away, people. You trade even know, you see me? Yeah, man, but it's the Ranking King now. We happen. I hope this shake up. We happen to Ranking King. I hope this shake up the whole dancehall industry. You see me? I hope this make them get a different perception and point of view, cause Jano, this are gonna shake up enough people. What do you think? Yeah, man, cause what you know now? For no say people are go off of artists them way, they brawl in them way. Remember them things that I use? Yeah, so what me I say them things that normally happen and happen so. You see me? I know me alone think so right now how me I think. Right now something come to me, people, and what you think? Tell me what you think. From the other day be a foolish now since Corona. You see me? July they will come at people and so much things are going. Check it level. TJ lose couple of friends them were close to him. Shenzia lost her mother. Ranking King lost him woman. Plus January almost lost himself, my friend. And that wicked. You see me, people, but what me I try to say is that certain things now go good right now and we need people to understand say God run things. You see me? The life we wanna live and certain things we wanna live. I not tell you how to live, but here what the life for some people live is not the way here. And that's why you see ladies and some other women when them reach certain age, them do certain things, cause when them look upon where the entertainment turn them in a, you see me? Yeah, man. Reality is reality to do. We have to do what we have to do to make food eat. You see me? But what me a pray still at the same point, what me a make is that you have to know for you know yourself. You see me? And nobody not perfect. You never know what tomorrow might bring, but Ranking King, prayers go up for you, dog. You see me? Cause you're a real nigga out enough of them. You see me? This give me a piece of shock to the people. But not laugh with my one. But not laugh with my life with them way they is it. Right now a different rollings, man. So far, we just want to give the dog some time and give him some time to recover up and heal. You see me, we not to bring down no heavy load upon the dog. So people, as soon as we get the next latest info, we make know what going is it. So please do like, subscribe and share. Wanna know the style.